Welcome back to my channel, everybody. I'm Megan Fox, and there is some good news in the fight against family court corruption in Missouri. Those of you who follow me know that I have been reporting on family court corruption in Missouri for a long time, and we're going to get into it right now. The story of Mikaela Haynes is a tragic one. It's one that I can't really get into here on this particular video because YouTube will absolutely demonetize me because of the subject matter, but we're going to try to get across some of this. So here is my complete family court corruption investigation catalog, which I've linked in the description below if you guys want to read through it. It is a 29-part series about the guardians ad litem and the judges colluding to destroy families in Missouri. There are 29 different articles. If you go to the most recent one, which is number 29, this is my latest update in the Mikaela Haynes case. Lawsuit against guardian ad litem Jennifer Williams goes forward in wrongful death case of you can read that word, of 13-year-old Mikaela Haynes. She took her own life. Jennifer Williams will face a jury in the wrongful death lawsuit brought by Cynthia Haynes Randolph on behalf of her deceased daughter, Mikaela Haynes, a 13-year-old embroiled in Missouri's family court nightmare who took her own life rather than go back to the father who did terrible things to her. Then we can't say on YouTube. Williams, who is an attorney, was assigned to Michaela as her guardian ad litem during the vicious court battle that her family suffered, trying to get away from their convicted felon father, Charles Haynes. He is currently serving a 7-year sentence in a Missouri prison for unspeakable things that he did to Michaela's stepsister, Melissa. All right, so here's the thing. In the argument, Williams first tried to argue that she had immunity from taking any responsibility for a wrongful death suit. However, and in Missouri, almost all the lawsuits that have been tried against guardians ad litem and judges have failed the immunity test. So that means that they've never been heard on the merits of the case because the guardians and the judges got immunity for it. Well, Williams didn't get immunity. This lawsuit is going forward, and she also argued that she had no duty to protect Michaela. Is that unbelievable or what? But that was really her argument. A guardian ad litem who was assigned by a court to see to the best interests of the child argued that she wasn't supposed to protect her. Listen to this. This is from the court record, from the judge's decision in this case. Williams argues that plaintiff has failed to establish Williams owed a duty to protect Mikaela Haynes from harm. Plaintiff responds that Williams' assertion that she owed no duty to Mikaela Haynes is the antithesis of the extensive body of Missouri law, imposing specific duties on gals. The undersigned discussed Williams' role and obligations to Mikaela Haynes as her guardian ad litem extensively in its previous order, denying Williams' motion to dismiss. Courts have consistently held that the duty of a guardian ad litem is to protect the best interests of the child. So Jennifer Williams this motion was denied. She is going to face a jury. She is going to stand trial for the wrongful death of Mikaela Haynes. Williams also tried to argue that she can't be held negligent either. That didn't fly with the judge. The court further finds that the plaintiff has sufficiently alleged the elements of a negligence claim in count 1. As noted in Harvey, to state a claim for wrongful death based on negligence, plaintiff must prove the existence of a duty to be performed by Williams and a resulting injury caused by the breach. This is great news. Really great news. And I spoke to the attorney representing the mother in the case, Evita Tolu. She said the court's ruling is a great victory for Missouri children and for child safety advocates to use against lawyers who violate Missouri child protection statutes, children's trust and confidentiality. Williams' meritless no duty owed to the child arguments resulted in a strong decision from the court, showing the court's commitment to protecting Missouri children from lawyers like Williams, entrusted by law to safeguard children from any injuries, but who instead harm children, driving them to tragic ends. And by the way, if you haven't seen the body language ghost break down Charles Haynes's body language, you've got to see it. It's linked in the description below. Mandy O'Brien over at Body Language Ghost looked at his deposition of his divorce trial, and she tore him apart. I mean, absolutely tore him apart on body language. This is the man that Jennifer Williams tried to give a 13-year-old to, and you just won't even believe how terrible it is. So you should watch this. The link is in the description. And if you would, read all of the articles that are linked in this piece here about Mikaela Haynes, so that you can actually know the details of this case that I can't discuss here on YouTube. This is one of those cases that could change what's happening in Missouri. It could change family court law, and it deserves the attention that so many of these other stories that are less worthwhile keep getting, and I would appreciate it if this one got more. As always, I appreciate your comments. I love reading them. I read every single one. Please keep leaving them below, and like and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. It really helps the algorithm and all the things. See you soon.